Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make turkey bacon crispy. To pan fry, begin by heating a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add a small amount of oil or cooking spray. Place the turkey bacon in a single layer, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, flipping the strips frequently until they are golden brown and perfectly crisp. This method gives you great control over the texture. For a hands-off approach, oven baking is fantastic. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil for easy cleanup, then arrange the turkey bacon in a single layer. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, flipping the bacon once halfway through. Keep an eye on it, as cooking times can vary slightly. This method ensures even crispness across all your strips. The air fryer is a quick and efficient way to get crispy turkey bacon. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the bacon in a single layer in the air fryer basket, making sure not to overlap the pieces. Cook for about 8 to 12 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through. This method uses less oil and delivers a wonderfully crisp texture in less time. To ensure the best results, remember a few key tips. Always avoid overcrowding your pan or air fryer basket, as this can steam the bacon instead of crisping it. Patting the turkey bacon dry with paper towels before cooking helps remove excess moisture, promoting a crispier finish. Cook until it's golden brown and firm. Enjoy your perfectly crispy turkey bacon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.